Just test of time. This is my brother's old air compressor that I bought him, but obviously it's mainly mine now. It's a Hunter SIP 60, which is I think it was a Hunter SIP 60. Yeah, it's a Hunter 60 air compressor. Bought it from Machine Mart probably about 15 years ago, so it needs an oil change, but this is mainly just to test the startup of it. I've wired up the new pressure switch on it. Well, that makes sure the plug was switched on. I've wired up the new pressure switch and some gauges on it. I'm probably just going to do a first test startup, but as you can see, live to live, neutral to neutral, earth to earth, just a protection. Obviously I had to get I got an extension here because normally the pressure switch is wired directly to the tank, but I bought a pressure switch so I could have two outlets with the adapter, but I didn't realise that the adapter was facing this way as I was doing it, so I bought the wrong one, but I bodged it, but never mind. Wired up the cables, obviously checked the oil level here, which says it's got oil, but obviously it's probably a bit toast by now, but for testing and starting up it'll be fine. I'm just going to brace the air compressor because obviously there's no guard here, and my brother borrowed it someone plenty of time back, and obviously they got caught up and damaged, so it's got a new pressure switch on. I'm going to fit the top after this, but this is the startup. Okay, so we know the air compressor works at least. Obviously showing some pressure in the cylinders. I'll just test the safety switch as well, make sure it cuts out. Okay, so it's built up about 60 psi already, so it's not too bad. Obviously I'm cutting out because this is quite an unknown one, so... Oh, hello. Little butterfly. A little moth, I scared him. But yeah, so we have 60 psi in the tank. 30 on this gauge, or 32 roughly. Can't make it out there. Fuck you. Okay, scared the crap out of me, that. Yeah, so obviously no leaks shown. So hovering at 30 psi on the air compressor, no leaks shown. Probably what I'll do next is just to put it up with pressure and make sure it cuts out. Obviously safety release valve. So that works as well, and then air compressor working, so I can start using my air tools again now. I'm probably doing an oil change on this motor as well, but you can tell it works. The coils are just a bit stiff because obviously they haven't been used in about 4 or 5 years. Just going to get rid of all the air and then go from there.